Our new living room. Well, remember our living room? It's new and improved. This is where our living room used to be. Yes, little but humble. Now, here's our new living room. Big and big. And overall, it's basically big. There's Dad watching his favorite music video. Yes, it is his favorite. I'm not just saying that. He likes this video. And here's our humble Christmas tree. Very spiritually and joyfully decorated with a star on top. That star is new, by the way. This is Christmas vacation. I skipped school today because today was a half a day. And, well, Dad told me I could skip school. So I guess I took the chance. I skipped school because today's a half a day. And let's see about, there's a thing over here. See that star? That star thing?
What about the fireplace?
Well, I'll get to that. Well, that star right there, it counts down the days to Christmas, and that's how many days it is till Christmas. And that's a good video, Dad. It's Creep. It's Stone Temple Pilots. Oh, well.
There they are.
Yeah. Huh? That's not Stone Temple Pilots. That's Michael Bolton. He's a wuss. Got the fire going. We're going to roast marshmallows later. There's our new living room. It's cool. Going to be recording from this new living room. And we might go see Christmas lights. We've already done it, but we want to record the experience on tape. So we might go look at Christmas lights again. And you're invited. Yes, you the guest. So we'll be signing up for Christmas lights or whenever we feel like it again. Bye.